drift apart, each with a song inside my heart. The echoes rise, they call my name, different voices yet the same. Pieces of me, they start to align, scattered stars through space and time. Through every turn, I start to see the light connects the pieces of me. The threads of